Hi everyone! Today we'll be showing you how to make some delicious Persian basmati rice.
And here are the ingredients. You need 3 cups of basmati rice, 1/8 teaspoon of saffron, and 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt or any salt you like, and 8 cups of water, and between 2 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here we put the water on a pot on the stove on high heat till it boils.
Alright, so now that the water is boiling, we're going to take our Himalayan salt, toss it in, and then we're going to stir it to dissolve it. Okay. Next, you're going to add in the rice. Just add in the rice.
So the rice will be cooking for 6 to 8 minutes. Then it will be not completely done. It's like a little bit, it's soft but a little bit hard. It's like al dente.
So now we're going to drain it and wash it with lukewarm water. Look at that steam.
So now we bring the pot back to the stove. We put it on medium heat, and we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. This is 1, and this is 2. And now we're gonna make that tatik, the bottom crunchy rice. So to do that, we are gonna put like 2 spatulas or whatever covers the bottom of the pan. So it depends on the size of your pan. So this is may take 3 spatulas, 1, 2, like 3. And then the same thing, I'm gonna put yogurt. And this is 1, 2, and 3. And also we're gonna put some saffron. So I have here 1/8 of teaspoon of saffron, and I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of boiling water on it, and then just stir it. Usually you can do this step ahead of time, but I forgot to do it, but that's fine. The saffron will dissolve in hot water, and then you just put like couple. This is very small teaspoons. And then we are gonna mix it. Now the rice with the yogurt, the oil, and saffron. So this is the bottom layer that's gonna get crunchy, and we just flatten it. Now you put just the rest of the rice. Make sure don't disturb the bottom layer. So you just put it like this. Make sure like all the bottom layer is covered, and you put it like a dome shape in the pot. Now after 9 minutes, so you can see the steam is coming out. So when the steam is come at at this time I like to put the saffron on the top of the rice, and then mix it like this. Also, if you like, you can put another 1 tablespoon of oil, like avocado oil or any oil, cooking oil. Then you get a clean towel, kitchen towel. And actually these towels, I keep them just for cooking. I don't use them for anything else. And when I want to wash them, I don't wash them with soap. I just wash them with water, because I don't like the detergent's taste over it. And make sure you put these like this, fold them, so you don't want to burn the towels. It happened, believe me, it happened to me in the past. I burned the towels. Okay, so now we keep the rice cooking on low heat for about hour to hour and a half. After hour and a half on low heat, the rice now is ready. So we're gonna show you how it's gonna look like. Here is how the rice looks in the pot. First, we're gonna remove the rice with saffron, so we can garnish the rice when we put it in the plate. Okay. Also, you can put some butter on top of the rice. That's optional. And now we're gonna garnish the rice with the saffron that we put on the side. So here is our plate. Now to get the tatik layer, I'm gonna flip the pot on a tray. So here usually I pick up the tatik from the rice and I put it in a separate plate and I will cut it, so each one will take a piece so people will not fight over it. And now with the kitchen scissors, I will cut it to pieces. So delicious. And usually, like if you have a stew, you can put stew over it. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.